What's up, YouTubers? Check it out. I got a braid. What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to learn a new skill. I've wanted to be able to Dutch braid my own hair or French braid my own hair for pretty much 25 years now. So today, I am going to watch a video. This girl is named Emily Gabs. Maybe? I'm not sure. I'm gonna try and follow her tutorial to Dutch braid my own hair. See, this is not my first time trying this. Why do I sound like I have a frog in my throat? One, my arms get really tired. And two, I start getting like confused. Like I can always start it out, but then like somewhere along the way it starts getting like wrong. And so then I'm like, well, today's a new day. I'm gonna try and I hope that this is maybe entertaining for you. So I'm not gonna show you what she says because, well, what she said at the beginning because it's not that hard. She says, comb out your hair. By the way, I have a mirror right here, so if I'm looking over here, it's because I'm trying to see myself. So I'm gonna comb out my hair like she says, and then she says to part it down the middle because we're doing Kim Kardashian style braids, you know what I'm saying? Take it back. Was that even straight? Oh, ow! Alright, Lord help me. I'm just gonna try and estimate where it should be and then maybe that'll help. I don't even know if the part's gonna be straight, man. I'm really not. I don't know if this is gonna work. So we're gonna pull this hair towards the back and we're gonna split it into 3. That doesn't seem like that's gonna be good. Okay, so we're splitting it into 3.
Grab some hair from the same side and then
what?
This section and bring it under and into the middle.
Slow down, slow down.
Bring that under and in.
This is the hard part.
And then bring
what do I do with this hair? Oh, fudge.
Under and into the middle.
See, this is under and into the middle. All of my strands are freaking combined. Why is she making it look so easy? My arms, oh my gosh, my arms are tired. Okay. I feel like it started out okay. Take it from the top, ladies. Let's take it from the top. Look alive out there. Look alive. Ah. So let me go back. Then you grab some of this hair. No! What do I have to do to get these braids? I hate Kim Kardashian for making this popular.
And then take this.
I can't. Take 57. Bada boom. Then you take another piece. Bada boom. Put it over that hand so you can get it together. There you go. Take it all the way back. Bada boom. Bada boom. Take it underneath. Bada boom. Everything's getting tangly. This is where it gets really messy. Good. We have 2 pieces now. Ah! Why? Why is this so hard? I'm gonna go 1 down the center. We're gonna go full pilgrim style here. Here we go. Taking it from the top, ladies and gentlemen. We got a 3-piece. Here we go. Under. Feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Here we go. Look it alive. Look it alive. Maybe I need a smaller section. Why? Why me? Why? Here we go. Up 5. Up 5. Up 6. 7. My new neighbors are gonna hate me. They didn't know. When they met me outside, they didn't know that I was into this stuff in here. Okay, I think we're doing okay. I need a break. It ain't bad. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't give it up. Don't give it up. All right. Did I miss any? Oh, I missed this. How do I fix that? Okay, I look a little Amish. No shade to the Amish. No shade to the Amish. So it's not as like slick and like Kardashian-like as I was hoping it would be. Like I wanted it to be like, I think this is a start considering I started from the bottom and now I'm here. I actually have something in my hair. Okay, disregard that. I'm pretty impressed, I'm not gonna lie. Like I could take a selfie like this and be like. Anyways, thanks for watching. My arms hurt really bad. I'm gonna go to my parents' house and have some coffee and some cereal because I think I deserve it after that. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any tips on how to get this better, please help me. Or if you have like a little sister that can do it, send her over. I'll give her $5. Like I'm not ashamed to do that. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. That's all. That's all I have. My arms hurt. Peace.